Today I would like to talk to you about 8x8 Converse. 8x8 Converse is a standalone SaaS platform from the 8x8 CPaaS family that allows you to digest inbound queries coming from SMS or any other chat applications that 8x8 supports, like WhatsApp or WeChat, Line, etc. Now, this could serve as your centralized point of convergence for all the support queries that might be coming from your clients. Now, to demonstrate how that works today, I'll be using SMS and WhatsApp. For SMS, I'll be launching a campaign and I will reply back to the message I will receive. And for WhatsApp, I will be simulating a support query coming from a QR code that could be on your online support page. As an agent, I would log into my 8x8 Converse portal and I could navigate through all conversation. I will see all the conversation active or that are associated to me. I don't have any ongoing conversation at the moment, so I'll be launching the SMS campaign so I could have something. And I'll be using 8x8 Connect for that. If you're not familiar with 8x8 Connect, just click one of the links below on the description of this video, and you will find another video that will describe how to navigate and work with 8x8 Connect directly. As I said, I'll be launching an SMS campaign, so I'll just select campaigns, the campaign manager over there, and I'll be sending a message to a contact list of my choice. So I'll be just choosing which contact corresponds to what. And while I create the message, I'll be selecting one of the templates I already have. So for this particular case, I'll be choosing one of the 8x8 templates that offers that launches an offer for your 8x8 products. Now you may see that I'm using by default I'm using an alphanumeric sender ID that is 8x8. But that wouldn't work in case I want to reply back to that message. So what I have to do is to replace this 8x8 by a numeric sender ID. And I will replace it with a number that corresponds to my 8x8 Converse. So this is the number to which I need to send a message back in case I want to get attention from one of the agents online, right? So let me launch the campaign very quickly. And while we wait for the SMS to be delivered, I'll be just switching to my 8x8 Converse tab. And now I'm the agent that is expecting a reply back from my client. So I just received the SMS. Let me reply with something like, I don't know, cool, I'm interested. So in this case, I could be demonstrating some interest in the campaign that was just launched. Now, as an agent, I could be receiving that message coming from the client back directly on my portal. You can see that I just received that message here. There was a previous conversation ongoing with this customer, so that's one of the reasons you see already a name on the customer, but you also have some context. This is particularly helpful in case this is going to be assigned to another agent and you need to provide them some context from what happened before. And now you can see in the 8x8 Converse portal, I'll be managing this as another tab, chat. So I could just navigate through whatever chat I'm working on. So I could just reply now, great to hear that. I'll be in touch shortly. And you'll see that I'll receive the response from the agent in a second. Now, this is SMS. SMS only deals with text, as you know. If you would like to add, for example, a media also as part of this experience, then instead of SMS, you could be using WhatsApp. Now, the good news is that 8x8 Converse will serve as a platform to digest any kind of channel, as I've mentioned before. So you can also see that there are other conversations ongoing over WhatsApp. This in particular, it's mine on SMS. But if I wanted to to deal with inbound WhatsApp queries, that would be possible as well. So as the client, what I'm going to be doing now is I'll be opening up my WhatsApp account and I'll be scanning a code. This code could be on your web page directly. This could be like a support page that you have or a dedicated page that you have for support. And part of the QR code could also include some predefined text. So in this case, I already have some text as part of this code that will automatically write on my WhatsApp application. I require technical assistance. This could be anything else. This could be also working as an opt-in, for example. As if you're familiar with WhatsApp for Business, most use cases will require an opt-in. So you could use this QR code also to generate a self opt-in message, so your clients could already have that opt-in directly. So in this case, I'll just be in touch with the agent with this query. If I navigate to that client, you can see that that just receives the request from my client, and I could reply back saying something like, okay, what is the problem? And because this is WhatsApp, the advantage of using WhatsApp is that I can actually use some media on it, right? So I could just very simply say, like, look, I have this, I don't really know where to put it. And as I send this as a picture, my agent will also receive the picture itself. So, and I now have the picture and I could manage everything in one place. The same works on the other side as well. So if I wanted to add some media and send back to my client, I could also do it. So I could just send some text directly from my folder, and my client will be receiving that. As soon as I'm done with this client, I could just mark my ticket as resolved. I could just add a note saying like, happy customer, mark as resolved. And now the ticket is resolved. If I would go to the resolved tickets, you will see that ticket over there. And that's it. This is 8x8 Connect and 8x8 Converse.